I'm sure you've come across the never-ending problem of packing the right things for your vacation. Well, you don't have to worry about it anymore, because in this video you will learn how to build a versatile mini capsule that will set your vacation needs at ease. I would recommend starting planning your vacation capsule 2-3 weeks prior, so you have enough time to buy new clothes. Of course, you don't have to buy the whole new wardrobe every time you are going on vacation. But there might be a couple of things that you might want to add. But we will talk about this a little bit later. For starters, it will be necessary to understand how many and what kind of outfits you need to bring with you on your vacation in general. First of all, think of what you are going to do there. You don't really need to be very precise. For example, if you are going to spend 12 days next to the beach, you can divide your activities into 3 categories: beach, city casual, and evening. The beach category is for outfits that you can wear at breakfast, lunch, or to the beach or pool. The city casual outfits category is for sightseeing, exploring the city, going to museums, or casual dinners. This doesn't mean that you should choose a casual style, it only means that here you should include something comfortable and easy to wear. The evening category is something you would wear to a fancy restaurant or to a party. If your vacation is not at the beach but in the city, you will probably only have 2 categories: city casual and evening, basically day and night. Let's say that you've planned 12 days of vacation at the beach. Most of the days you will spend on the beach or by the pool. 4 days you will spend in the city. And for about 6 times you will go to a fancy restaurant or a bar. Now it's obvious that you need 8 outfits for the beach, 7 city casual, and 6 dressed up looks. But you actually don't need all of these outfits to be different. You can repeat all of them a couple of times. For example, if you go to the beach only 8 times, you can have 4 outfits and just repeat each of them 2 times during your vacation. For casual days and evenings, you can take 4 outfits and also repeat some of them. The same for the evening outfits. 4 will be enough. Basically, in total, you just need to pack 12 outfits. For example, if you decide to have only 4 outfits for the beach, you can include 2 dresses, 2 tops, and 1 bottom. For all these outfits, 1 pair of flip-flops or slides and 1 beach bag will be enough. To create 4 outfits, you only need 2 tops and 2 bottoms. 1 pair of sandals or sneakers and 1 city bag will be enough here as well. I would also include some casual sweater, hoodie or a cardigan in case there is a chilly day or evening. The structure can be any you like. For example, all 4 outfits can be dresses, or 2 dresses, 2 tops and 1 bottom. 1 pair of fancier sandals and a small purse might be also necessary. Here you might also want to include a blazer or a cardigan for colder nights. After you finalize the amount of items needed for your vacation, you can start creating outfits using what you already have. I like to mix and match my clothes until I decide what outfits I will take with me on vacation. Then I will lay down all the items for each category and take a picture. When the time comes to pack, I just check the photos and put everything together in 10 minutes or so. I've also prepared a visual example for this 12 days beach vacation capsule, just so you can see how it all looks together. It includes 4 dresses, 6 tops, 4 bottoms, 1 sweatshirt, 1 cardigan, 3 pairs of shoes and 3 bags. And when I mix all these items together, I get 14 interchangeable outfits. Sometimes it happens that some of the items that you need are missing, but if you do the planning the way I just showed you, you will know exactly what to look for to make your summer vacation capsule complete. Today I used around 26 fashion principles and methods to create this capsule. Let me know how many do you use for your vacation wardrobe planning, and if you prefer to buy new clothes or shop your closet first. Let's chat! If you know someone who is going on a trip or vacation, do them a favor and share this video with them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.